Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect place to put all your makeup brushes, I have it here for you. This is a really pretty makeup brush organizer from Acina. The makeup brush is really neat because it looks like it's a really elegant glass, but it's actually plastic. And although it is plastic, it really does look like it's a beautiful glass piece. The piece opens up from the side and it has a little handle that makes it really easy to slide over, so easy. And inside you can put all of your makeup brushes. I really like this because I know that there's constantly dust in the air, and knowing that my brushes are protected away from the dust is such a nice feature. I also really like it because it keeps them all in one place. The brush organizer inside rotates completely, so if you're looking for the perfect brush while you're putting on your makeup, you will easily find it. Although the organizer holds all of my makeup brushes, it's also a nice elongated shape, so it really easily will fit onto your bathroom counter, a vanity area, or really anywhere that you choose to do your makeup. It has a really pretty gold piece at the top that makes it look even more elegant. And overall, I'm really happy that I can keep all of my brushes in one place and it looks very elegant when it's closed. But that's just my point of view.